Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are designed editorial color grading using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and analyze its overall tone and clarity. Editorial grading should feel polished and refined. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that enhance contrast and color balance without extreme shifts. Select one that complements the subject and lower the opacity for subtle integration. Add a curves adjustment layer to sculpt contrast and maintain detail. Use color balance to fine-tune highlights and shadows so tones appear intentional. Zoom in to inspect important elements like textures and skin. If needed, mask the color lookup layer so key areas remain natural. Toggle